Hey, what's up guys, I'm your host ICO Corner back with another video. So in this channel I show you how to make money with the help of cryptocurrency. So if you love crypto and want to make more money from it, please subscribe to my channel and stay until the end of this video to get complete information about this awesome project that we are going to talk about in few minutes. So let's get straight into the video. So today we are going to talk about another IDO that will be conducted by Yellow Road. So this will be the fourth IDO that Yellow Road team is going to conduct. So this IDO will be the fourth IDO. They have already completed 3 successful IDO previously, and we have already got huge gains and huge profit by participating in their IDO as well as in the first come first sale. So if you haven't got allocated in the IDO, you don't have to worry. You will be still getting a chance to participate in the IDO by just entering into the first come first sale. So if IDO allocation is not completely filled by the time given by the team, they will be opening the first come first sale, so you will be still getting a chance to buy in the IDO. So we have already get huge gains by participating in both the IDO as well as in the first come first sale. So you just have to click on this view launchpad to check out which is the upcoming project whose IDO will be conducted by Yellow Road. So ZenChain is the next IDO that will be conducted on Yellow Road, and here is some update that need to be done by Yellow Road team, and I have already informed the team members of Yellow Road that Frozen Finance logo is showing with ZenChain, so they will be updating the logo of ZenChain soon over here, and all the details of ZenChain IDO will be mentioned over here. Here you can see the base coin will be BNB, so you have to have BNB if you get allocated in the IDOs, and the conversion rate of 1 BNB with ZenChain token will be appearing here. So all the details of ZenChain IDO is mentioned in their Medium post and Telegram group. So I'll be leaving the link of ZenChain site in the description box. If you want to check out the project, you can check out from the description box. So I'll be explaining each and every detail of whitelist form, what you need to do to get allocated, and what are the compulsory steps that you need to do. So if you skip the video and miss out any single step, you will be not getting allocated in the IDO and it will be your loss. So stay till the end of the video to get complete information about this IDO project. So we'll be taking a short look in the ZenChain protocol site. What are the details that are mentioned over there? We'll be taking a look over it. So what is ZenChain? Dedicated blockchain that is optimized specifically for DeFi and NFTs. So ZenChain protocol main focus will be for DeFi project and NFTs application throughout the world. So let's check out some cool stuff that ZenChain protocol is offering. Scalable high throughput blockchain built for DeFis and NFTs, cross-chain and support smart contracts. So I personally like the cross-chain part because it will be creating a bridge between Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain and Tron and many more other networks that are already available in the market. So this will be creating a bridge between all the networks and it will be interacting in the ZenChain protocol in a single way. So this will be creating a huge opportunity for NFT and DeFi projects. So if you want to check out much more details of ZenChain protocol, you can check out by going through their white paper, and you can also go through their partners list. Here are the list of the partners of ZenChain protocol mentioned over here. You can check them out, and you can also contact the team members. They are given the list of the core team members. If you have any difficulty understanding the project, you can directly contact them over LinkedIn, and you can also check out their Telegram channels and Medium post for better understanding the project. They have well qualified team members and Medium post available. You will be definitely getting your doubts clarified by going through all the stuffs that are available on social medias. After that, if you still have doubt regarding the project, you can also directly go through the frequently asked question list, and I am 100% sure that your doubt will be clarified by going through the frequently asked question list. You can check out all the questions that are available over here, and you can also contact them over Twitter, Facebook, Medium post and Telegram, and also on the GitHub. You can check out each and every detail of the project on your own, and I personally recommend you to check out each and every terms and condition and privacy policy on your own, because this will be helping you to understand the project thoroughly on your own, and it will be clarifying your doubt yourself. So you'll be getting satisfaction that you are investing in a good project and your money is in good hand. So you can also go through the light paper. I'll be leaving the link in the description box for the light paper, so you can check out the light paper and get more information about the project. So here is the tokenomics and distribution update of ZenChain protocol, and overall total supply of ZenChain protocol is 100 million Zen token, and initial circulating supply is over 1.2 million Zen token. Initial market cap is very low, around 360,000 USD is their market cap. Unsold and unused token will be burned. So this is a very good tokenomics given by ZenChain protocol, and around 5% will be given in the public IDO, and early distribution is for 8%, and strategic partner are given 20%, and the team allocation is very low. 5% is the team allocation. Liquidity and staking is provided with 17% of the token supply. Community growth is given 10% of the token supply. This is a very good tokenomics given by the ZenChain protocol, and I recommend you to participate in the IDO because this project is also very good project and it will be giving you a good return when it comes in the market. So here is the Medium post given by the Yellow Road team. The Yellow Road will be conducting the IDO of ZenChain on 18th May. So mark this date, and before that you need to fill the application for the IDO. So here is whitelisting requirement that you need to follow. The first step is to hold ROAD token or to provide liquidity on the PancakeSwap pool. So you must be knowing the benefit of providing liquidity. You will be getting twice allocation for the same amount of ROAD token that you are holding. So and the second step is to follow Yellow Road and ZenChain on Twitter, and you must join the Telegram group of ZenChain. And after following them on Twitter and joining the Telegram group, you have to just click over here on the whitelisting form. I will be leaving the link in the description box. You have to just enter the email address over here. You have to click on this I understand and agree tab. After that you have to just provide your Telegram username and Twitter username, so they will be cross verifying that you have followed them on Twitter and joined their Telegram group. So after that you have to just enter your MetaMask Binance Smart Chain address other than MetaMask will be not working and you will be not getting allocated in the IDO. So I highly recommend you to provide MetaMask Binance Smart Chain wallet address, because other address will be not approved by them for the IDO allocation. After filling the address over here, you have to just click on this I understand and agree tab, and after that you have to just click on the submit tab, and you have filled the application for the IDO. And I highly recommend you to participate in the IDO, so because all the IDOs that are conducted by Yellow Road has given a huge returns, around 10x profit at the time of launch. This project can also give a huge profit and huge gains if you get allocated in the IDO. So I'll be providing all the required links in the description box. Please check them out and fill the application form before the due dates. So this was all about today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.